Hi there, welcome to the Zapiet Academy. Today I will show you how to uninstall Zapiet Pickup and Delivery if you want to stop using our app. While we don't offer the option to pause the subscription, you can uninstall the app if you need to take a break. We will save your settings and restore them when you reinstall. Depending on the widget version you're using, you will need to follow different uninstall instructions. Take a look at our "Which version of the widget am I using?" article to determine your widget version. You can find the link to the article in the description below. If you have installed Zapiet Pickup and Delivery after September 2021, your store is most likely on the Online Store 2.0 versions of the widget, versions 1 and 2. This means our app was installed through App Embed, and uninstalling the app should remove the widget from your theme. In the Shopify admin, click Apps and then App and Sales Channel Settings. Next to Zapiet Pickup and Delivery, click Uninstall. If you would like to help us make the app even better, add the reason for deleting. We appreciate the feedback and strive to give you the best possible experience. Then click Uninstall. Uninstalling the app should remove the widget automatically from the cart page. If you are still seeing the widget, follow the additional steps for our legacy version or contact our support team. If you're using a legacy version, take a look at the article in the description below or reach out to us at support@zapiet.com. We'll be happy to remove the widget for you. If you have manually created static pickup and delivery rates in the Shopify shipping and delivery settings when you installed the app, or you are using Zapiet Pickup and Delivery rates, we recommend removing them if you're not offering pickup and delivery anymore. In your Shopify admin, click Settings and then Shipping and Delivery. Under your general shipping profile, select your store pickup and/or local delivery rates and delete them. If you have multiple rates for different weight or different pricing, you will need to delete all of these. Click Save. Your subscription for Zapiet Pickup and Delivery will be cancelled when you uninstall the app. However, you will not be charged until your usual Shopify bill date. If you reinstall the app, you'll be asked to select a new plan from one of the current options. It will not be possible to reinstate a legacy plan. For more information, take a look at our articles in the description below. If you have any questions, please reach us at support@zapiet.com and we'll be happy to help.